everybody, it's Santos from BMW of Myrtle Beach. Today we thought we'd talk about remote software upgrades. We've been getting a lot of questions about it since BMW has started to send out push notifications to your My BMW app. So the way I think about this is really in 3 steps or stages. In the first step, you will receive this push notification on your phone, which will lead you to your My BMW app. So the first step really in this process is for us to download onto your phone an installation package. So that's nothing more than a file, basically, that'll go down to your phone. So the way you do that, follow the directions on your push notification. Preferably, you'll be connected to a secure Wi-Fi network. That just makes sure that it happens on a speedy basis, right, for speed and efficiency. So once that download is completed, you will now have that installation package loaded on your phone. The second step is to then take your phone into your vehicle, start the engine, make sure that you have a Bluetooth connection between your phone and the vehicle, as well as a Wi-Fi connection between your phone and your vehicle. We'll cover those connections in a separate video if you haven't established those already. So with that, you would go to your car settings, general settings, and in that menu area, you'll find the remote software upgrade. You'll see then that the installation packages will automatically transfer from your phone onto the car. For the third step, now it's going to require us to actually cut the engine. The screen will let us know that, hey, you're ready to complete the upgrade process. This process is going to take approximately 20 minutes, so make sure that you don't have anything to do with the car for 20 minutes. There'll be some instructions on the screen after you turn the car off, basically, and then as you initiate that process, feel free to get out of the car, lock the car if you need to, and then when you come back after 20 minutes or so, the process will be complete. At that point, the upgrade should be completed and you're ready to go with your refreshed iDrive system.
Thank you for watching our video today. Please submit any comments or questions below, give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and as always, we'd love to see you here at our dealership, BMW of Myrtle Beach.